President George FCC. Monitor and call. Monitor. This function allows you to monitor the channel despite the squelch. When automatic squelch control is active or the manual squelch level is high, press the monitor key to hear the active channel. Call tone frequency. Prior to using the call function, you may want to set the call frequency to something other than the default. To set the frequency of the call tone, long press the push key to enter the menu. Turn the channel rotary knob or use up-down keys on the microphone to select the call setting menu. Once the call set function has been selected, repeated press of the rotary knob moves the selector to the left, making it easier to make larger shifts in frequency. Turn the channel rotary knob or use the up-down keys on the microphone to adjust the frequency. The frequency range is 300 Hz to 3000 Hz. The default value is 1050 Hz. Once you have dialed in your desired frequency, press the Press to Talk button to exit the menu. Then press the Press to Talk button on the mic and press and hold the monitor key to test your call frequency. You're all set. Please be sure to check out our other instructional videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications when our new content is added.